So our first property of logarithms is log base b of x, y equals log base b of x plus log base b of y. Now this is similar to the concept where if we had x to the fifth times x to the second, we would just add the exponents to get x to the seventh. General rule was x to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. So this simply follows the properties of exponents like we did before. Same thing, now we're going to have log base b of x over y equals log base b of x minus log base b of y. Again, this follows the same rule. Whenever we had division, we would subtract our exponents to get x to the fourth. The last property that we deal with is the following. Whenever we have exponents in our logs, so example, log base b of x to the y, that exponent jumps straight to the front of the log and it becomes y times log base b of x. Now that we have the properties, let's apply them. Now, example 1. If we have something like log ln of 8x, and remember, ln is log just like log base 2, log 3, log 4. It just changes the base to e. So what we have here is ln of 8, and since it's multiplication, it changes to addition, plus ln of x. Now, to make it a little tougher, we had something like this, where we add an exponent into the mix. First thing we always apply is property 1 or property 2. So we're going to apply property 1 because there's multiplication. So we have log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of x to the third. Next, we're going to take our 3, it jumps straight to the front of the log, and we have to add one more step. We simplify log base 2 of 8 because we can. Based on the last lesson, you should know log base 2 of 8 is 3. So 3 plus 3 log base 2 of x. Now, last property that we're going to do, we're going to have log of 5 over 3x to the fifth. Now the first thing, we separate out the logs. So we have log of 5 minus log of 3x to the fifth. And this is using property 2. Now, the next thing we're doing, we're going to have log of 5 minus, we're going to change this to log of 3 plus log of x to the fifth. And this is based on property 1. Last but not least, we have log base 5 minus log of 3. And I'm distributing the negative sign that's right here. Minus, and at the same time we'll move our exponent, so it's 5 log of x.